look at the palm trees.
Right?
He says that's good.
That's what's nice, yeah. And look at the old guy go.
Batman!
Turn right, then turn left.
Blood blocks, eh?
Oh, Jay. Man.
Okay, Carm. Save video. That's, I was about to say, okay, come on her license plate.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you got far, eh? Did you get far?
Oh, that was special.
Did you get far? We're allowed to turn on red here, eh?
I don't know. I think so.
Eh?
I don't know. I think so.
I Googled it.
Maybe not.
But he might not be turning.
Well, then why does he have a signal on?
Who has a signal?
That guy does.
This guy?
Yeah.
What's signaling?
Really? You don't see that thing flashing?
Where?
Right there.
I don't see the thing flashing.
Okay, see the first light? Go look at the next one. It's flashing.
This one's flashing.
You can see it flashing down there.
I don't see anything
The
in the back.
second one, look.
Yeah, he's flashing my ass. I don't see anything flashing over there. I don't know what you're talking about.
The second light.
It wasn't
the
flashing.
red was flashing.
Maybe in your mind it was. Okay, Garmin? Okay, Garmin. Save video. I hope I got it. Yeah, you're flashing. There's like no light going. Zero.
Shut up. I thought it was, maybe it was the reflection of yours.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was. Was it flashing at the same time as mine was going tick, tick, tick,
Maybe.
tick?
Maybe.
1 kilometer, turn right.
You're not very nice.
I know, you're worse.
No, you worse.
You're weird.
You're weirder.
You don't see no light flashing. I'm going, no. No indicators of it at all. He's probably going left.
Yeah, I would think. North Dakota. Ah! There he goes right.
What a winner.
That's funny.
Man, we wait here
And
forever.
yeah, like exactly, hey?